In 2017, I made a trip to Taiwan for the Taipei Art Book Fair. This would be the first time that I'm visiting Taiwan as an artist. I pushed out some videos in 2017 when I first began YouTube, but did not do them justice with the 480p format, presenting the newly edited and of a higher resolution of my sketching adventure. Welcome to Taipei. Okay, so I'm here at the foot of Xiangshan. The climb is a short one. It's been over an hour's journey getting to this point. I'm gonna head up now and see if I can get a good view of Yiling Yi 101 to paint. So let's go. Don't know if this is halfway point, but there's a low landing on the platform. There we go. But it might rain and kind of exposed to the open right now. I spent a long one on this one, but I'm done. The edges were really difficult, the jagged edges. The sun is out now, it looks really pretty, but I caught it when it was rainy. Shougonglo. Welcome to Ningxialu Night Market. This street is jammed with food, and I see something interesting that I may sketch in a bit. Let's check out this place. I usually don't pause in the middle of my drawing, but you guys got to check this out. It's the regular trash machine that comes and pick up all the garbage. They play this really neat music, and I think it's really interesting. Yeah, it's like happy music to clear trash. Once people hear that sound, they have a window opportunity from 3 minutes to 5 minutes to dump stuff. Yeah, before these guys go, and it's only once a day, so if you miss it, you have to wait until the following day. Yeah, very interesting. So today when I first saw that, I thought it was an ice cream truck. Yeah, I see SpongeBob. It's quite funny. Okay, so now back to our regular program. This is Alvin Mark. Thank you for watching the program. If you like what I put up, remember to subscribe to this channel. Until the next episode, guys. Ciao.